Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this Motorola. Begin with opening settings. Then you need to click on security section over here and click on screen lock. Now tap on the best login method for you, pattern pin or password, and create it. When you finished, click on next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then choose confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now tap on one of those options to pick the best one for you to answer the question how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with the last option, don't show notifications at all, and tap on done. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that screen lock was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!